What up, everybody? Um, Today's job, fixing that Subaru, rebuilding it. I already rebuilt it once before, put a new crank, new bearings, everything in there. The valve guides were bad. The valves were bad as well. And so if you get a misfire code, and let's just say you go through, change your coil pack, your spark plug wires, or spark plugs. I haven't seen really anybody comment on these 2009 2.5 liter Subaru Imprezas on YouTube at all, um, in regards to why you're throwing a check engine code and you've replaced everything that pretty much goes with those components. Well, what happens is, um, for instance, I guess what had occurred here is, it spun a bearing, messed the crank up, got pretty warm enough in there to, and while it's running really bad for quite a while, the bearings were giving out, and I'm sure some metal debris got up into the head, knocked the valves out in a way. Also, caused it to get. You could see just the buildup in there of the grease. I mean, the carbon buildup afterwards of what was the residue that was seeping into the head as well with the gas. And there is another video on a 90s model Subaru where they go in and say, check your valves. Your valves could be bad for a minute. It could be throwing a misfire code. Well, and they're like, yeah, I guess on that video, the client was like, decline services and continue to drive it just like that. And, eventually it's just like a ticking time bomb. It's going to go out and you're going to mess your whole engine up even more. I guess for a 90s model, the vehicle's not really worth too much, but I give such great deals either way that this was way worth going in and getting it done. If you ever have an issue with an engine, Subaru engine, any engine in general, I could rebuild pretty much any make and model as long as it's worth it to me. Diesels and stuff like that I've done as well, and man, they're just, everything's so big and heavy and bulky, it's a lot more work. So, but I'm not saying I can't do it. I can do it. You can do anything you put your mind to, essentially, and motivation. But anyways, I thought I'd make this quick video, entailing that if you have a misfire code and you've replaced your coil pack, your spark plugs, your spark plug wires, and you still can't get rid of that code, it's probably your valve's gone bad, or a valve guide's leaking, or whatever. So I figured I'd make this video just so that everybody knows, to let everybody know that, hey, next thing to check is your valves, buddy, and get that into a machine shop and have them replace those valves. Or you could do it yourself as well. All right, thank you, and have a great day.